If your Google search bar has disappeared from your Android home screen, don't worry, it can be easily added back using widgets. Go to your phone's home screen and press and hold on an empty space, a blank area without apps or icons. After a moment, your screen will enter edit mode, showing customization options. In edit mode, tap on the widgets option, usually displayed at the bottom or in a menu panel depending on your Android version. Scroll through the widget list or use the search bar at the top and type Google. This will filter and show all available Google-related widgets. Tap on the Google folder category to expand it. Look for the widget labeled Search or Google search bar. It usually shows the Google G logo and a search field design. Press and hold the Google search bar widget, then drag it to your desired location on the home screen. Release it once it is placed where you want. You can move or resize the widget depending on your Android launcher. Simply long press it again to adjust its position. Once completed, the Google search bar will reappear on your home screen, allowing quick access to Google search just like before.